Welcome to our stone art project. Today, we're diving into the world of creativity and sustainability by transforming ordinary stones into beautiful works of art using upcycled materials. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this project is perfect for everyone. From painted mandalas to whimsical garden decor, we'll explore various techniques to bring nature's beauty into your home. So grab your stones, some old paints, and let's get started on this fun and eco-friendly journey. Here are some inspiring ideas for a stone art project using upcycled materials. 1. Painted stone mandalas. Use smooth stones as canvases. Paint intricate mandala designs using leftover craft paints. This can be a relaxing and meditative activity. 2. Stone garden markers. Collect flat stones and paint them with names of herbs or vegetables. Use these as decorative garden markers to add a personal touch to your garden. 3. Stone coasters. Use larger, flat stones and apply a sealant for a functional art piece. Decorate with patterns or images using paint or decoupage techniques. 4. Rock animals. Transform stones into cute animals, like ladybugs, frogs, or owls, using paint and additional materials like fabric scraps or buttons. This can make for delightful garden decor. 5. Stone wall art. 8. Nature-inspired stones. Collect stones and leave them in their natural state, simply polishing them with natural oils. Use them to create a rock garden or as part of a centerpiece. Create a wall hanging by arranging various sizes of painted stones on a wooden board or canvas. You can create abstract designs or even landscapes. 6. Upcycled mosaic stones. Break old ceramics or glass into pieces, and use them to create mosaic designs on stones. This adds texture and color to your art. 7. Stone candle holders. Drill holes into larger stones to create unique candle holders. Ensure to use appropriate tools and safety measures. Seven. Stone candle holders. Drill holes into larger stones to create unique candle holders. Ensure to use appropriate tools and safety measures. 8. Nature-inspired stones. Collect stones and leave them in their natural state, simply polishing them with natural oils. Use them to create a rock garden or as part of a centerpiece. 9. Story stones. Paint different symbols or images on stones to create story stones. These can be used as storytelling prompts for children or creative inspiration. 10. Stone jewelry. Use smaller stones to create pendants or earrings. Drill holes into the stones or use wire to craft unique pieces of jewelry. Tips for success. Safety first. Use gloves and appropriate tools when working with stones. Get creative. Mix and match techniques and materials to create unique pieces. Involve others. This can be a fun group activity, so consider hosting a DIY stone art workshop. These ideas can help you create beautiful, functional art pieces while promoting sustainability through upcycling. Here are additional inspiring ideas for DIY stone art using upcycled materials. 11. Stone picture frames. Use small stones to create decorative borders for picture frames. Glue the stones around the edges of a frame for a rustic, natural look. 12. Rock planters. Hollow out larger stones to create unique planters. Use them for small succulents or air plants, adding a natural touch to your home decor. 13. Stone wind chimes. Gather stones and drill holes in them to create a wind chime. String them together with twine or fishing line, adding beads or bells for extra charm. 14. Textured stone art. use textured materials like fabric scraps or burlap to create mixed media stone art. Attach these materials to stones, adding depth and interest. 15. Rock faces, paint stones to create whimsical faces. These can be fun garden decor or playful additions to children's play areas. 16. Stone game pieces, create your own board game pieces using stones. Paint or mark them to represent different. 16. Stone game pieces, create your own board game pieces using stones. Paint or mark them to represent different players or elements in a game. 17. Nature-inspired symbols, use leaves, flowers, or other natural materials to create impressions on stones. This can be done by pressing the materials into the wet paint or clay. 18. Seasonal decor stones, paint stones to represent different seasons or holidays. Create a collection that can be displayed throughout the year. 19. Rock art collage, combine multiple stones of various sizes and shapes on a larger canvas or board to create an art collage that tells a story or represents a theme. 20. Stone pet rocks, personalize stones as pet rocks by painting them to look like different animals or pets. This can be a fun gift or a decorative piece. Tips for enhancing your projects: experiment with techniques, try different painting techniques, such as sponge painting or splatter painting, to create unique textures. Use natural dyes, consider using natural dyes from plants to color your stones for an eco-friendly approach. Connect with nature, take a nature walk to collect stones and inspiration for your projects. These ideas can help you explore the endless possibilities of stone art. While promoting creativity and sustainability through upcycled materials, thank you for joining us on this creative adventure in DIY stone art. We hope these ideas inspire you to think outside the box and unleash your artistic side using upcycled materials. Remember, every stone has a story to tell, and with a little imagination, you can create something truly unique. Don't forget to share your creations and tag us. We'd love to see your beautiful stone art. Until next time, keep crafting and embracing the beauty of nature.